Computer science videos here today in tutorial 6 to show you guys how to post a video to Instagram using an application called Grammarly that uses the local host. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing you need to do is go to the dock and to your web browser, which is Safari in this case. Make sure you have your Instagram account opened as well as Grammarly. And now we need the video that I already have from my folder that I transferred to my desktop under a minute. If it is over a minute, you can actually trim this. That will be another video, how to trim videos on your computer and then upload that to Instagram. So we have the video. I can actually copy the video title that will come in very handy. Take this and drag this to the box where it says drag and drop an image or video. Use this as a cover. At the moment, we have to crop this. Yes. Now we can write the caption. So I can just paste what I copied earlier into the box. Remove this. Maybe add a few hashtags. And now we can send this to Instagram. This should take a minute or so depending on your internet connectivity. The upload has been completed. It says your video will now appear in your Instagram profile. So we can go to Instagram now. Refresh the page. The video has been posted to Instagram using your computer, the application called Grammarly that uses the local host. Click on this for a moment.
In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to download the application Twitter on your mobile phone. So without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing you need to do is turn on the Wi-Fi.
That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.